Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about beautiful and trendy women stylish grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is natural, elegant and full of confidence. Many women think grey hair makes them look older, but that is not true. With the right haircut, grey hair can look modern, stylish and very graceful. Let's explore some simple and beautiful haircut ideas. First is the short layered haircut. This is one of the best styles for grey hair. Layers add volume and make your hair look fuller. It is also very easy to manage and style every day. Next is the classic bob cut. The bob cut is always in fashion. It gives a neat and clean look. Grey hair looks shiny and elegant in this style. You can keep it chin length or slightly longer. Another great option is the pixie cut. This is a short and bold haircut. It is perfect if you want something low maintenance. It is easy to handle and gives a fresh and modern look. Now let's talk about the shoulder length haircut. If you don't like very short hair, this is a great choice. You can add soft layers or gentle waves. It gives a natural and soft look. You can also try the feathered haircut. This style gives a light and soft appearance. It adds movement and frames your face nicely. It is perfect for a gentle and feminine look. Another beautiful idea is the curly grey hairstyle. If you have natural curls, embrace them. Grey curly haircut looks unique and full of life. Keep them well shaped and trimmed for the best result. Now let's talk about some easy tips. Use a good shampoo and conditioner make for grey hair. This helps keep your hair smooth and shiny. Trim your hair regularly to keep it neat and healthy. If your hair is thin, go for layered cut to add volume. If your hair is thick, you can try longer or softer styles. Avoid too much heat styling. Let your natural hair extract texture shine. Don't be afraid to try new styles. Grey hair is beautiful and you can style it in many ways. Choose a haircut that suits your lifestyle. If you want something simple, go for short styles. And remember, confidence is the most important thing. When you feel good, you look beautiful. So these were some easy and stylish grey haircut ideas for women over 50. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Allah Hafiz.